Posting clips until I get famous on the internet.
Yo.
Wait. Yes, I'm doing this. I'm doing it. Yes! Yo, I win. Yes. Oh, yeah. I'm going to do this until I get famous. Another clip. And 3, 2.
Go. I broke your bed.
Let's do this. I bet.
Nolan realized that the masked man had already targeted him. He told Bailey to hide first and call 911 to request backup. I'll set the table. Pretending he was getting dinner ready, Nolan slowly moved toward the door. In the next second, he suddenly rushed outside and pointed his gun at the masked man. But when he stepped closer, all that remained was a mask.
Actors who will forever be known for that one role. Grant Gustin as the Flash. Cillian Murphy as Thomas Shelby. Bryan Cranston as Walter White. Rowan Atkinson as Mr. Bean. Millie Bobby Brown as Eleven.